Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook zucchini and squash. These delightful vegetables are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in many ways. When selecting them, look for firm, vibrant pieces without any soft spots or blemishes. A good size is typically 6 to 8 inches long. Before you begin, always give them a good wash under cool water and trim off both ends. This simple preparation ensures they are ready for any recipe you choose. Sautéing is a fantastic method for a quick and healthy side dish. Start by slicing your zucchini and squash into uniform pieces, about a 1/4-inch thick rounds or 1/2-inch cubes. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat until it shimmers. Add your vegetables and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. They should be tender crisp, not mushy, and have a lovely golden hue. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Roasting brings out a wonderful sweetness and depth of flavor in zucchini and squash. Begin by cutting your vegetables into 1-inch pieces to ensure even cooking. In a large bowl, toss them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. They should be tender and slightly caramelized. Grilling adds a fantastic smoky flavor and beautiful char marks to your zucchini and squash. For grilling, slice them lengthwise into 1/4-inch thick planks. Brush both sides with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and season generously with salt, pepper, and any herbs you like. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Grill the planks for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they have nice grill marks and are tender. This method is perfect for summer cookouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.